Hello everyone, we are about to show you how a drone can improve and make parking validation simple. In the existing parking system, the valued officers walk past each car and validate the parking ticket on the dashboard of the car, or checks if the payment of the parking has been done through SMS for the plate number of the car. This validation of the parking is done by the officer in all adverse weather conditions at all times. Now, in the proposed system, a drone can help in the validation process of the parking. When the car is being parked in the empty parking, an SMS needs to be sent by the driver with details of plate number, parking zone, and parking duration to a defined SMS number. No more would the driver need to go to a parking meter in order to obtain a parking ticket. This SMS will now be relayed to the drone, where the drone will receive all the information regarding the parked car. Each parking zone will have its own drone, which will have all the information for that zone. The drone will arrive at the car and adjust itself to the center of the parking, using the parking white lines as a reference. It will then read the existing RFID tag and request the back office for the plate number associated with the tag in the database, and relate the parking SMS sent by the driver of the car. After completing this, the drone will then move on to the next car and repeat the process. In situations where there is no RFID tag, the drone will attempt to capture an image of the plate number of the parked car. In summary, the drone needs to be equipped with a camera, suitable RFID reader, and equipment to receive SMS information. The camera will serve to take pictures, and an image detection algorithm on the onboard computer of the drone will detect the white markings of the road. With all these equipments on board, will it then be able to achieve its objective and lead the way to a future of autonomous drones in parking lots?